Hi, I'm Steve from NXP, and today I want to show you a really cool result of some recent collaboration between NXP and Microsoft. So what we've built here is a digital twin of an elevator monitoring system which monitors and predicts failure at the edge using a NXP microcontroller hooked up to a variety of sensors, which creates a digital twin of the physical system up in Azure IoT. What this does for the user is it helps improve uptime of the escalator systems. It also makes them safer because it can predict a failure before it happens. So for example, it can shut down the system if a failure is imminent. It can also, like I said, improve uptime by scheduling maintenance if there's wear and tear in the system that needs to be addressed before failure occurs. So we have this edge compute device that can make decisions locally or in conjunction with the cloud. The data is processed up to Azure, where a digital twin of that escalator system is created and monitored. And then it can also be then pushed back down to another NXP processor, an i.MX8M processor, running Win 10 IoT Core and such a thing as an industrial PC or an HMI panel for in the control room, for example. So an end user can monitor the system and make decisions on what's happening in the system remotely or on site. So thank you for your time. I hope this was interesting.